think it was 10. I think it was 10 issues. Like, how is that? How is that? Till she'd go back Thursday. But I'm like, I got a call not even an hour after she was at school. And then the nurse has on there, he said, well, if she's here, if she's there, of course she's there. You know, like, you didn't check her to see if she's even there. Because then the girl that she took well, one of the moms last night told me that, and that one's actually her daughter went to Tylenol because she had a heart middle impact. And her mom's like, she just had it. Come on, Julia.
Okay, Caroline. All right, Madeline, come on.
They actually, they keep an eye on you. I can't say that. But what are the symptoms? What do I gotta look for? And there's another school that I went to, like, it's in
Go, Mia. Don't stop.
Go,
Mia.
Come on, Courtney. Come on, Courtney. Stay with her. Okay. All right.
Is there a time frame?
I'll pray for you, Chief. We're laughing. We would really
Yeah.
They said you had a better chance to get caught by lightning.
Oh, really?
60. I think it really is better chance to get caught by lightning.
But those are the ones you hear about. You don't hear about the 600 million. So it's fine.
My second one tomorrow.
You can
PCR test every Monday night and results.
Right? Send it. Right.
Girls? That's it, okay. That's it, Courtney. Okay. Caroline, get to it. All right. Okay, yeah.
Come on!
Okay.
Come on, Madeline!
Come on. That's it, Madeline.
Go, 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 go!
Keep it going.
Come on, Madeline!
That's it.
There you go! Go, Ed, go!
All right, Patty. All right, Caroline. Take
Now listen. Daniel, come on. Take one.
Okay.
Russo.
That's it, Chloe.
Good job, Chloe! Go, Ed, go! Go, Madeline, go!
Outside, Maya.
Go, 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 go! Come on, girls, aggression!
That's it.
Nice, there
Okay,
you go.
good.
Go, Ed, go!
Okay, Addie.
All right, Madeline!
All right, fight for it. Come on. That's it, Caroline. Stay on it.
Go, Caroline,
Stay
go,
on it.
go, go!
Take a shot. Oh, okay. All right, good try.
It's only different about a one-day snapshot, but
It's all about the swag. I don't have it.
Russo.
Okay, Emma, good. That's it, Natalie. Okay, Julia. Okay.
There you go. Go, Madeline, go! Wheels, girl, wheels! There you go. Girls.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, Danielle.
Very good. They've all been like
Good, Maya. Get back, Maya.
Go. Okay, Danielle.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it, Caroline. Stay with it.
Go, Madeline, go! Go, Madeline,
Stay
go!
on it.
On your feet.
You have the video. You can clearly see it. Why is that's it. Video when you get the goal.
Oh, man.
Good try. She goes right down. She had to stick out. Like she was like pushing back. Just right under the rim. Well, they did, you know, that close to the half where
Send it up.
That's it, Emma. Like, yeah, it was early.
Outside, Maya.
Okay,
Go.
Okay, Caroline.
Come on, White.
Okay. Come on.
Whoever volunteers. Exactly. Whoever's volunteers.
Decided to become psycho-aggressive, which I don't see many people doing. And I picked out of the game. It would take us a minute to figure out.
Which game was that? The first game or
The second game.
Okay, Madeline.
Come on, Madeline.
Go, go, go.
Okay, we'll take it. Go, Adam, go.
Come on. I didn't know what she got a yellow card.
Yeah.
Well, apparently she played for a while with a numb hand because she got checked across the
Uso.
That's it, Julia. Good. Very good.
Go, Julia. Come on, who's there? Who's there?
That's it.
Go, Ad, go.
That's it. Good. Okay, Danielle.
There you go.
Like, for her to say,
Jump that, Maya.
That's it, Emma.
Come on, Emma. Take it back.
Okay, that's it, Chloe.
Send
Come
it,
on,
Maya.
Addie.
That's it.
Come on,
Addie.
Addie. Go, go, go.
Whoa, whoa.
good call. Right. See it? Wow. How did it end up?
There you go.
Okay.
Come on, Emma. Take it.
Emma, that's it.
Take it, Emma.
Send it, Maya.
There you go. Go, 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 go.
Help her out. Help her out.
Come on, Chloe. It's all you, girl.
Talk to her, Maya.
That's it, Emma. Bring it down. Okay. All right.
Go, Nat. Go, Nat. Go.
Whoa.
Right, right.
Okay, let the clouds come in.
Okay, Addie. Stay on it.
Come on, talk,
Come
girl.
on, Ed. Come on,
Stay
Ed.
on it. That's it. All right. All right. Okay, go, go, go.
Come on, White.
Did they play high school or no?
Come on, May.
Come on, Emma. Take it.
Emma,
Come on, Emma.
You got help.
stay on her.
Go,
All right,
Reagan,
very
go.
good, good.
There you go,
Okay,
Julia. Go.
Go.
Clear that ball,
There you
White.
go, Julia. Take it. Good girl. Go, go, go.
Good try, girls.
Oh, White, move around. Let's
Come
go.
on. Come on, Emma.
Help her out.
Come on, Emma.
Okay. That's it, Emma. Good job. All right. That's it, Caroline. Go get it.
There you go. And they both go what? To Habit race? Do they? Where's it at? It's not. Where? I know. So what are they doing with you?
Yeah, 30 spots.
But was the old one just not big enough anymore? There you go. Go on.
Back me.
All right. Okay, go. Go at it. Go at it.
Talk, White.
Come
on, Julia.
Go, Meg.
That's it. Okay.
Now.
Girls. Come on, Reagan! Cut it off!
In front of her.
Better back up. I don't know how far she can get.
I'm thinking the same thing.
There's one closer to where I know. Oh, yeah.
That's okay. She got to get her confidence back. Before she retired.
All right. That's it. Go, girl.
Go, Maddie, go! Go, Maddie, go!
Stay on it. Okay.
Go, Maddie, go! Go, Maddie, go! Nice hustle, Riley! Come on, Matt!
Can't wait.
Come on, Nat! Come on, Nat! Hey, cut her off!
Hey.
That's it. Okay. All right, baby.
Run through that leg. Get some.
Come on, Emma!
Okay.
Offside on the field. So. Even with the AR, please. All the way up with the AR. Come on, Lana. Keep backing up, White. Right at it. There. Back up. Second white line. You should stay right down the ball.
Come on, White.
All right, Elena.
Go, 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 Maddie, go!
Stay on it.
Maya, help out.
Okay.
Drop, Maya. Drop it.
Come on, man!
That's it, Natalie.
Who's there? Who's there?
Hey,
Go, Matt, go!
That's it.
Come on, Matt.
Okay.
One's offside. Sub on while we're getting. Keep it with the AR over on the kick, please. Hold up, wait.
push up.
All right, Danielle.
Come on, White, push up.
Come on, Chloe.
Come on, honey, gotta go.
There you go.
Take it off, babe.
Come on, Nat.
Stay with it.
Come on, Maddie. Come on.
Gotta move
Come on, Anna,
quick.
keep going,
Gotta
Anna,
move
keep
quick,
going.
There you
White.
go.
Good
try.
All right, good try, girl.
It's that third foot.
Keep talking, White. Get in.
There you go.
All right, Danielle.
Good
Good
job,
job.
Danielle.
Kenzie was at the show last night.
Yeah, she did the pregame show and halftime show.
To the ball, White.
A little gymnastics, a little breakdancing, a little bit of everything.
Come on, Nat.
She made a cardboard sign that like said halted or go on it, but then she laid it down and tried to break dance on it.